Vaccines. Vaccines are the best hope to curb the deadly COVID-19 pandemic, and amidst the Omicron worries, the government earlier on December 25 approved vaccination for children from 15 years to 18 years of age. The Health Ministry in its guideline release stated the administration of vaccine between 15 to 18 years age group will start from January 3 and will be administered with Bharat Biotech's Covaxin doses only. During the vaccination drive, beneficiaries can self-register online through an existing account on CoWIN or can also register by creating a new account through a unique mobile number or can also have walk-in registration for vaccination. In this PBNS exclusive, we will get you the answers to all the questions about COVID-19 vaccines for kids. Emphasizing the importance of vaccination, Dr. Prasanna Bhatt from Max Hospital said,
to escape or rather to contain or rather to get victory over COVID, the only way out is vaccination. And in the last 22 months, the world has seen mega vaccination drive, and India has been a leader in this, in the sense that in terms of sheer numbers, we have dominated the world in terms of the number of people who have received vaccines. So obviously, the population which has not received vaccine till now, by virtue of them not qualifying for the age criteria, are the ones who are below 18 years of age. World over, in many of the Western part of the world, be it America or most of the European countries, they have started pediatric vaccinations for the last 3-4 months, and they are giving to at least children who are above 12. And it is the vaccine has been a welcome addition to the armamentarium, rather the main I would say uh, weapon that we have against the disease as of now, and it has shown to be a positive thing in terms of not having any major side effects. There have been some side effects, but they have been, I would say, by and large, they are not very significant in terms of the numbers. So, yeah, vaccine is the main thing, but we can expect victory over the pandemic.
explaining why is COVID less severe in children, Dr. Bhatt added.
One thing that we need to appreciate when we are talking about pediatric patient, rather children, is that children are not just miniature adults. They have a lot of things which are uh, rather inherently unique to the children themselves. They are not something which are seen in adults. They are still developing. So when it comes to COVID, the COVID virus goes into the respiratory tract and attaches to a receptor known as ACE receptors. Okay, ACE receptor. So this receptor is not very well developed in pediatric patients. I mean, individuals, but not very well expressed. So because of which the virus itself, in simple language, if I call it, doesn't get a good foothold in pediatric patients. That is the primary reason why the disease doesn't become serious in pediatric patients.
Amidst the new COVID-19 variant Omicron worries, Dr. Bhatt further emphasized the precautions infants and children at high-risk categories to take following their vaccination.
The point is, when we talk about children of the high risk categories, I mean, they will be the children who have some chronic ailments, like we have a significant chunk of children who have, juvenile diabetes, children who have cardiac disease, and there will be another subset of patients who will have some chronic kidney disease. So these are the children who, by virtue of their own pre-existing, illness, which is putting them at a higher risk category, they definitely should be taken care of by giving vaccinations. But having said that, I mean, I would also say that these are the very children uh, who, even after vaccinating, if they don't take care of the precautions which in general we have to take, they will definitely get the disease, get the infection, because even after vaccination, there is no guarantee that an individual will not get the infection, right? But the disease may not become serious. That's what the vaccine guarantees. Vaccine does not prevent infection from entering the virus from entering the human body. That is something that we need to understand. But yes, this is the way we can escape the seriousness of the disease.
Further, the doctor emphasized how a school plays an essential role in a child's life, and he opines that fear of virus should not stop children from going to school.
One thing I would like to address here, I would like to utilize this opportunity to highlight the importance of schools and colleges reopening. See, when we are talking about the pandemic, we are only focusing on the illness, the impact of the illness on the health, and the direct impact of the illness on the health of individuals, whether it is adults or children. But one most important thing which has been sort of sidelined is the mental health of the children, not only the younger ones, even the older ones who are going to the senior schools and colleges. Their education has been affected, no doubt about that. But when I say the mental health, children go to school not only for studying, their overall health depends on the mental state. They go to school, interact with their friends, play around, and spend time with their friends, and learn many other aspects of life, which they have lost in the last almost 2 years, which has not happened at all. So I would definitely like to underscore that going to school and not relying upon online education is something that is we have to push forward, and at the earliest school should open up, although they have opened and closed again. I just hope that this closure doesn't continue for long.
On the other hand, clearing the air over the Covaxin doses to be administered among the kids, Dr. Raman Gangakhelkar, former head scientist of the Epidemiology and the Communicable Disease Division at ICMR, said.
सरकार ने 15 से 18 साल की उम्र के बच्चों के लिए कोविड वैक्सीन इसको परमिशन दी है। कई लोगों के मन में ये विचार आता है कि ये बच्चों को अगर ये कोवैक्सीन दी जाए तो उससे कोई तकलीफ तो नहीं होगी। हमको एक समझना चाहिए कि बच्चों में ये जो इनएक्टिवेटेड प्लेटफॉर्म जो दे रहे हैं वो हमने पहले ही इस्तेमाल कर चुके हैं, और वो इस्तेमाल में ये देखा गया कि बच्चों में कुछ भी तकलीफ होती नहीं है। इसलिए हमारी भलाई इसी में है कि हम ये कोवैक्सीन की डोज 15 से 18 साल के बच्चों को जल्द से जल्द लगाएं।
That's all in today's segment. Keep watching TVNS for all the latest news and updates, and keep safe.